Have you ever spent hours, maybe days, creating a powerful piece of content, like a long article or deep video or maybe a webinar, only to see it published once and then forgotten? Probably you share it, you get few likes or views, and then nothing. The rest of your time is probably spent scrambling to come up with a brand new idea again and again and again. And you do this across all social media platforms. The thing is, you're not alone. Most creators, freelancers, or small businesses create or treat content like a one time and done. The result is burnout and unpredictability in growth, and most importantly, lost opportunities. So, for every great piece of content you create, you're actually leaving value on the table. And this is where my content repurposing system comes in. I've built this system to help you turn every single content piece into a full-blown content machine, like multiple formats, multiple channels, and multiple chances to reach different people without having to start from scratch every time. Let me show you how it works. This is the dashboard that you get once you duplicate the template. You're gonna have the high quality content here, the high priority content, and then here you have the content that's soon to be published, and over here you're gonna see the time it's taking you to publish every piece of content. This is a good indicator to show you how much time you're spending on every piece of content, and this is actually going to turn into red if you are spending so much time. Okay, and here is the content calendar, the publisher calendar, and over here you have the frequency of use of your hooks, the hooks that you're using in your social media posts. Okay, and over here there is this very important menu where you can see the social media platforms and the frequency of posting on each of them. It will tell you you're not posting enough on Instagram, or you're not posting enough on TikTok, depending on if you're posting enough or not, and you can change this, of course, in the formula. So besides this social media vault where you can just access the content related to each social media, I will show you the publisher pipeline. It just looks like this, where you can see the different stages your content is in. And then this is the power of this template actually. This is the variation generation template page. You can just go here, for example, I have this post about Canva. Okay, I want to generate another post about Canva, but this time for TikTok. So what I'm gonna do is I will just click on add TikTok variation, and it's gonna tell me congratulations. I will click on OK, and then I will have this. So this is already pre-built template that's gonna show you the TikTok. It's already selected here, and then you're gonna have this very important template here. You can open these if you want. You can see the advice for TikTok, and then you have the checklist, the creator checklist that you can use as a guideline to not forget important tips. Okay, and this is the space where you can create your post scripts, for example, or text, and then you can see the social media vault over here, the images or the videos that you have, and over here you have the hooks that you can choose from or get inspired by. Okay, so this is actually happening for every single type of platform. Whenever you want to create a new platform, new piece of content, you're just gonna have these templates already pre-built with platform specific tips and advice. Okay, so you can generate the variation based on the existing piece of content. Okay, and of course you can see also how many pieces of content you have in each platform and which ones are missing or you did not repurpose yet. Okay, so you will spend more time creating for different platforms and not wasting time on trying to find a new idea because your content is not valued that much. So you have here the hooks vault, which is some suggestions for hooks that you can use. Okay, and yeah, this is it. This is very simple actually. I didn't want to complicate it. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, you can contact me, or you can just take the template and try it out and share with me your feedback.